Okay, it's product review time. Today we are taking a look at Glow.0 LED juggling balls. Look, it's in the package and check it out. It's endorsed. It's Wes Peden's on the cover. Let's unbox these things. Before we get into these, I just want to tell you about the LED juggling balls I've been using for the past 5 years. These are Kosmos Lunar LED juggling balls. They're 65 millimeters. They have about 3 to 6 hours of battery life and around 40 different programmable patterns. However, they're heavy, they're misshapen, they don't have a perfect circle to them, and they're expensive. I've used these balls about 4 times on gigs, and other than that, I don't enjoy juggling them. Yeah, they kind of just sit in my room. On to the unboxing. Sweet. What's included in this box is the 3 LED juggling balls, a triple head micro USB charger, and an instruction kit. There's a little power button at the top of the USB charging port. That's how you turn them on. I did not charge these, so we'll see how this goes. But overall, just from juggling them a little bit, they feel kind of crunchy. They have a little bit more give than the Kosmos Lunar balls, which I like. Oh, there's a little signature on the ball, Wes Peden's signature. To give you a comparison of the brightness, this is the Kosmos Lunar ball, and this is the, I don't even know if you can tell that is on. But yeah, the Wes Peden ball is like way brighter. So my first impressions of these juggling balls are, they're a bargain for $45. A set of 3 Wes Peden balls cost less than a Kosmos Lunar ball, which makes sense. These were, you know, at the time, an incredible ball, but that was like 10 years ago.
Look, I'm a little bit skeptical anytime I see Wes Peden's name attached to a juggling item, mainly because I've bought 7 PX4s back when they were brand new, and I hated them. But I can honestly say that this ball is a pleasure to juggle, especially in comparison to the Kosmos Lunar juggling balls. If you are in the market for an LED juggling ball, I would highly suggest this ball. It is budget friendly, high quality, bright, and a pleasure to hold in your hands.